How to log in to Genius account. So if you want to log in to Genius account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Genius. And after searching here, you will have genius.com on the first search. You can click on that. So it will take you to the web page or the website. So if you want to log into your account, then you will have a sign in option, which is on the upper right corner. You can simply click on that. And it will take you to the login or the sign in page. So you can also sign in using your Facebook, or you can also sign in with your Twitter, or you can also sign in with your Google account. So to log in with your email, you have to come here and you have to enter your username or your email address, and after entering that you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have I forgot my password. You can simply click on that and then you can reset or recover it. And if you remember your credentials, then simply enter it and then you can click the login. So that's it. That's how you log into your Genius account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.